Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to be installing this FMF PowerCore 4 onto my CRF80. These are actually really easy to install. All it is 5 bolts, if I'm not mistaken. It's going to be here, we have one down here, 2 in the front, and then 2 in the back, so I guess that'd be 6. But they're super easy, and I'll show you how to get it done. Alright, we're going to start with this little 8mm bolt right here in the plastic. Alright, it's out now, it's just stuck in there. It's gonna have these two, I don't know what you'd call it, like these little rubber grommets that these little hooks push into on each side. Just pop it out, and it should just slide out like that. Oh, it's all dirty. Anyway, oh man, that's really dirty. Anyway, we got the 2 bolts right here. We got the one over here, 2 in the front still. It's gonna be a low 12mm on our middle size, I guess is what I call it. There we go. Oh man. Alright, so this isn't really a good thing, but the exhaust is just dangling by these 2 up here now. So all we have to do is to take those 2 out. Alright, now we have these 10 mils underneath here. And once these come off, whole exhaust is going to fall down. So make sure you have a hand on that. Yeah. Pro tip, leave a bolt in the back, that way you don't have to hold up on it the entire time. Should be able to get out a lot easier now. Motor's so hot. There we go, the exhaust is off. Alright, now we gotta get this pipe guard off. We'll start up here with this 8mm up here in the front. We'll move back here to this one right here. Alright, it should just slide forward and come right off. Yeah, just like that. You can see it grabs right here into here. So when you slide it forward, that unhooks out of there. And it's off. Alright, so you're actually going to need Phillips. Kind of forgot about that, but you're going to take this right here. And this has to go through this and also around the pipe. So first thing you're going to do is just take this apart. See right there, it came apart. Now you're going to go and slide this through. Alright, now you're going to put it on the pipe like this. And it's kind of hard, but you got to push this back up into here and then tighten it. It's kind of impossible. Alright, so you kind of just squeeze it together and wiggle it around for a little while after while you're tightening this, and then eventually it'll catch. And you're just going to slide it down like this. And we're going to kind of leave it a little bit loose, that way we can move it around to where this needs to go. But first thing, we're just going to throw both these on there like this. Given to these little rubber things from the old exhaust that you're going to just slide on right here. You're going to slide one of them on to hold it there a little bit better. And then you're going to get these both a little bit tight. You can still move them a little bit, but they're mostly tight. Just in kind of the area of where it's going to be. And you're going to take this, slide this on right here on this. There we go. And you can see that our clips are way off, but we're just going to kind of move them. Slide them up and down the exhaust, or at least try to. It's going to kind of keep sliding it up and down. Eventually, we got the one in, and then kind of press this down. You can see it's not really lined up, so you kind of have to wiggle it around a little bit more forward. There we go. Perfectly lined up. Go ahead and grease your bolt right here. It's not a lot. Put some grease on your bolt and then just put it in. Alright, now over here, you can see this isn't very well lined up. Like if you were to stand on this, this is like super tilted down compared to like where it should be, like more like flat at the bike. So we're just gonna take a few of our bolts and just stick them in. If I can get this one on hand. There we go. That should hold it more at like where we're actually trying to get it. Maybe even you can throw all of them in right now, and then just rotate this wherever it like ends up being. So when we went to actually tighten it down, we got the backs in, and then this one wasn't perfectly aligned. So we kind of had to just kind of pry on it a little bit, kind of start the back, just suck it in, just apply a ton of pressure on this, and we were able to get it to going straight. You really just don't want to cross thread these, or else it's going into your frame, and then you gotta rethread your frame. But yeah, we got it. You just kind of have to pry on it for a little while and get it to go perfect, but it does. Anyway, after that, we got this. Got it rotated up a little bit. It's pretty good how it is, I think. So yeah. All right, now we just gotta pop these in. One on each side. Let's kind of start with the back. You'll be able to see it. You just heard that. Popped in, and then the front, you just kind of got to get it in there. And then it goes in like that. And this goes right in here. Make sure you're greasing all these, by the way. If you don't put grease on them, then eventually they'll just seize up inside your frame. That's going to be our installation complete. Go ahead and take this thing outside and give you guys some speed tests. Little sound test for you guys. So, even though like the speed test didn't show that much, I can feel so much more power, especially in like first and second, just coming out of corners. It feels like the bike just feels like going from an 85 to a 105, honestly. Like it gains so much power just from the exhaust. It's kind of insane, actually. If you're like wondering, should you go buy this exhaust? Yeah. For only like $250 to $300, this thing is a steal compared to like some of the other ones on the market are like $400. Nah, go ahead and pick yourself up one of these FMF PowerCore 4s because they're insanely good.